Namaste. With the flu taking rounds and with the new virus HMPV, and whenever we are attending marriages or any other pilgrimages, we are definitely coming back with this flu that's like nasal congestion, cough, and then it doesn't go away. Sometimes it's accompanied by fever also. And the cough is like very stubborn. So this healing is to help you strengthen your respiratory tract and heal any signs of virus or bacteria that's there stuck on your maybe lungs or your at the center of your throat, or congestion at the nose or cough. So to do that, gently accept this healing, and before doing the acceptance, gently close your eyes and imagine you growing some thick roots from the center of your spine, base tip and bottom of your foot, all the way growing down and binding it to the center core of the earth as grounding. Bring your attention to your center of your heart and imagine there is divine energy flowing from the top, filling you up from your Sahasrara, top center of your head, all the way filling, clearing everything that's not serving you at this moment. You don't have to do anything. I'm gonna heal anything that can be pushed out from your energetic spaces. You just have to accept. So filling up all the energy spaces from your head, pushing, clearing any stress, anxiety, frustration, disappointment from the top center all the way down to your throat, all the way up to the back of your head, down to your shoulders, shoulder blades, to the front side, all the way down to your torso, all the way down to the back of your stomach, pushing, clearing everything, just like a vacuum, pulling out all the negative energies, any kind of distress, so that we can make our bodies very open to receive healing to clear this virus. All the way further going down to your thighs, knees, calves, foot, and also covering the top layer of our auras, just like an energetic shield, so that no negative energies can enter into our aura without our permission. Negative energies, negative virus, bacteria, or any other beings. With this in place, thanking Divine and Earth, Mother Earth, for its grounding, let's activate the energies of Akashic Wisdom and Divine Mother Varahi and Maa Chandi to facilitate this healing. And to begin, let's clear your energetic tape that's at the center of your head, which is responsible for the respiratory good functioning. So any kind of tears, worn outness, which is there on the tapes behind your head, totally getting repaired with this high vibrational energies of Divine. You don't have to do anything, just trust the process and accept it. And if possible, chant your Divine's favorite Mula Mantra or Prarthana Stotram or any other prayer that resonates with you to accentuate this journey of healing. Just flushing out this energy through your mouth. Take a deep breath and blow out. Filling you up with the highest, best energies that you can hold of Divine that can help you repair this type. So when the pendulum rotates reverse, it's filling up with the Divine energies. clearing the condition that's there at the part of your chest. So healing the left lung, clearing all that's there on the left side of your lung, energizing each capillary. Know that divine is doing the work for you, so be in gratitude, accept the healing, trust the process. Filling you up with the highest best energies that you can hold, repairing the tape and revigorating it, fixing all the leaks and holes and tears and any signs of worn out because of the virus or any other reason, bacterial infection or any other sorts of infection. So once the pendulum that's rotating in the other direction is filling you up with the highest energy of divine, with vitality and strength. You just don't have to do anything. Trust the process. Just take a deep breath, blow the energy out. As you blow out, imagine you're allowing this virus that we have scooped out to go out of your energetic spaces. Now healing once again the tape, filling up with the highest best energies that it can hold, that you can hold at this point of time, so that the energetic tape of your respiratory systems get repaired. Again, take a deep breath and blow out. As you blow out, imagine you're blowing out all the energy that we scooped out from your tape at the back. You don't have to know anything, just do blow out and divine will take care of the rest. Once again, clearing, healing the tape. The tape is responsible for our good functioning of our respiratory systems, which is an invisible tape which we have 6 tapes at the back of our head, each governing a functionality of an organ and its total circulatory systems. So we are healing directly at the source. Now, again, take a deep breath and blow out, filling up with the highest best energy that you can hold at this moment. Imagine Lord Divine is totally working on repairing the tape which is responsible for your good respiratory health. That's at the back of your head. You may not know anything, you may not feel anything, but just accept the process. Repairing once again any kind of signs of virus, bacteria infection that's causing any kind of respiratory malfunctioning, be it in the form of cold, flu, cough, or any other condition in the upper chest or lower chest. Filling you up once again with the highest best energy that you can hold at this moment. Take a deep breath, blow out. Pendulum is a way we heal, and the moment the pendulum says so, it just goes up and down. That means the healing is complete. So once again, filling you up with the highest best energies of the divine from the top to the bottom. And as you accept this healing, this becomes true for you. You can watch this healing video how many ever times and know that with every repetition, your respiratory tract is getting more and more healed and more strengthened. Thank you for watching. Sarvam Shri Jagadambarpanamaste.